Hello angels! In today's video, we're going to talk about why your skincare might not be working. Let's be real, at least once, we've all spent tons of money, excited to get perfect skin after watching someone with flawless skin. We may have applied the products consistently, but still, no difference. This can make you think skincare is a scam. Well, here's why your skincare may not be working. Reason 1: not knowing the cause. For example, if you have a deficiency, no matter how many products you apply, nothing will work unless you treat it from the inside. The question arises, how do you know if you have a deficiency? The best way is to get tested. However, if you can't, try searching online or using an AI app to ask what deficiencies could cause your specific skin issue. If you get multiple possible reasons, look for what other symptoms those deficiencies cause. Study them all to narrow it down. For instance, I struggled with hyperpigmentation for a long time, no matter how much I treated it. I thought maybe I had a vitamin C deficiency since my symptoms matched, and I took supplements, only to find out it was actually a vitamin B12 deficiency. I had spent so much money on skincare and supplements, all while the real issue was internal. You could also adjust your diet to deal with deficiencies. Similarly, if you're flooding your skin with hydrating and moisturizing products but only drinking 1 to 1.5 liters of water a day, you're just wasting your products. Also, there could be many reasons of same problem, so find out what it is. Reason 2: you are being lied to. Just because a brand says a product will treat an issue doesn't mean it's true. Chances are, the product will have very little effectiveness. Influencers and brands might say, "Yeah, use this, it'll fix everything," and we often go along with the hype. But after months of no improvement, you might see a small change and think it's working, when in reality, other factors might be influencing your skin. So, how do you know if a product will work? Even if you read the ingredients, we aren't dermatologists. Here's something that saved me a lot of money and helped me buy skincare that's actually effective: an app called Skin Bliss, not sponsored. It analyzes ingredients and tells you if they'll work for your skin concerns and type, and even rates the product's effectiveness. And look, we all want to waste money on cute-looking pink skincare, but it's not gonna work, so hold your horses, miss. Reason 3: application, and I'm not just talking about order. For example, if you haven't exfoliated and your skin is full of dead cells, your skincare won't work properly. The same goes if your skin is very oily. Don't just follow the order of skincare blindly. If you apply a thick product first, like a heavy serum before other treatments, they won't work as effectively. Always go from the thinnest to the thickest formula, and of course, sunscreen comes last. Also, make sure the ingredients in your products can work together. They should be compatible without damaging your skin or destroying the main components of other products. Now, let's discuss some of the most common skin concerns, their causes, and proven ingredients that work for them. Hyperpigmentation is caused by various factors like deficiencies, sun damage, skin irritation, or even scarring from injuries. Certain ethnicities are more prone to it, and it can take time to fade. While color correctors and concealers can help mask it temporarily, the goal is to achieve an even skin tone naturally. Steps to treat hyperpigmentation. 1. Check for deficiencies. Common deficiencies like vitamin B12 or vitamin C can cause hyperpigmentation. If this is the case, adjust your diet or consider supplements. 2. Address skin damage. If hyperpigmentation is due to sun damage or irritation from past products, incorporate healing skincare with active ingredients. And always use sunscreen, reapplying it every 2 hours. Effective ingredients for hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C. Hydroquinone for extreme cases. Niacinamide. Tretinoin or retinol, choose based on your skin's needs. Kojic acid. Glycolic acid. Dark circles. Dark circles can detract from the beauty of your eyes, even if your eyeshadow, lashes, and liner are on point. The causes vary: lack of sleep, thin skin showing veins, deficiencies, or even toxins in the body. Another overlooked cause is a lack of tissue under the eyes, which makes them appear hollow. Steps to treat dark circles. 1. If sleep is the issue, simply getting more rest may help. 2. If hyperpigmentation is the cause, use skincare with caffeine, vitamin C, and a gentle retinol-based moisturizer. 3. For thin skin or tissue loss, professional treatments like dermarolling, laser treatments, or fillers are more effective. Also, be gentle with the delicate under-eye area and avoid rubbing it. Improving skin texture. While everyone has some degree of skin texture, filters often make us forget that it's natural. You can't completely get rid of texture, but you can smooth it out. Small bumps, whiteheads, or roughness from dead skin cells can be improved with regular exfoliation. Steps to smooth texture. Exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells. Use active ingredients like retinol, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid to tackle bumps, blackheads, and whiteheads. Shaving your face can also help exfoliate and give you smoother skin, allowing your skincare products to absorb better and your makeup to apply more smoothly. Tackling acne. Acne is another skin concern with multiple causes. During teenage years, hormonal changes often trigger painful breakouts that tend to clear up over time. It's crucial not to pop pimples, as that can lead to scarring that lasts longer than the acne itself. Additionally, overloading your skin with products can irritate it further. Other acne causes. Dirty makeup brushes, pillowcases, or hair care products. A damaged skin barrier. Use calming, hydrating ingredients like Centella asiatica, allantoin, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, and avoid strong actives. Don't forget sunscreen. Excess oil production. Use salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and gel-based moisturizers. Hormonal imbalances. Consult a professional to address this. These treatments also help with blackheads and whiteheads. Anti-aging. For those concerned with aging skin, focus on ingredients that promote renewal and hydration. Key ingredients for anti-aging. Retinol. Niacinamide. Azelaic acid. Tranexamic acid. If rosacea is your concern, it's important to identify its cause, whether it's genetic, environmental, or related to an underlying condition. Rosacea treatment often includes gentle skincare routines and ingredients that calm irritation.